digits for sure.
Yeah, over triple digits. In fact, Palm Springs today, Phoenix, Vegas, all near or above 110.
Wow.
So very hot. But we are going to see some triple digits here at home. Now, today we were warmer than yesterday again. 87 apiece for Santa Barbara and Goleta. 81 today in Lompoc. Look at Santa Ynez, up to 89 today. Tomorrow, we're forecasting middle 90s in the Santa Ynez Valley and 82 this afternoon in Santa Maria. Speaking of tomorrow, let's take a look ahead at that Thursday forecast. Lots of sunshine, and with the sun shining all day long, it will be hot, hot, hot. Some breezy winds again for the afternoon and evening hours. Valley temps, here's where we really sizzle, 90 to 100 degrees. Santa Barbara, Ventura, Oxnard tomorrow. Daytime highs in the 80s and lower 90s. And with the heat continuing to build, possibility that we could see records tomorrow. Now, let me throw this out there first. One of the reasons that we're expecting records is because the records for the day, not that impressive. We're only forecasting mid-80s around Santa Barbara, Santa Maria, and Oxnard, but that's exactly where the record highs are. And in Santa Barbara, the existing record is 82. That was set back in 2006. For the airport tomorrow, I'm forecasting high of 85 degrees. Right now, Goleta sitting at 88. Very hot out there indeed. 86 in Santa Barbara, 81 for Gaviota. To the north, not quite that hot. 65 in Morro Bay, 72 in San Luis Obispo, still 96 in Paso, and 90 in Ojai. Winds are still pretty strong out there across the central coast, but as we head into the evening hours, these winds will decrease while continuing to accelerate across southern parts in Santa Barbara County. And in fact, those areas are under a wind advisory. And that wind advisory continues until midnight tonight. It is for the entire south coast. It does include Carpinteria and Summerlin, but we're not really expecting the winds to surface in those areas for tonight. Mostly west of Goleta is where we'll see the stronger winds. And where the winds do develop, we could easily see gusts up near 40 miles an hour. Few clouds out there off the coast of central California, but otherwise we are expecting lots of sunshine tomorrow and Friday, mostly sunny as well. Dry conditions as well. Tomorrow, that's going to be the hottest day, and then as we head towards the weekend, things look to cool down. So some relief in the extended, but tomorrow, look at these numbers. 85 in Carp, 90 in Montecito. We'll see 96 in Santa Ynez, 83 in Santa Maria, 88 for Gaviota. San Luis Obispo County numbers quite nice by the coast, but farther inland, it is going to be toasty. 85 in Slow, 100 in Paso, 100 for Ojai, and up to 85 in Camarillo and Oxnard. A great day to hit the beaches or do some sailing. We'll see variable winds, pretty breezy during the afternoon hours, but relatively quiet and calm during the morning, and a west swell coming in at 4 to 5 feet. Santa Barbara 7-day forecast. There's that relief we're talking about. It means some low to mid 80s as we make our way towards the weekend and early next week. Santa Maria 7-day forecast. We go from 83 to 78, then down to the mid 70s by the weekend. And what we'll notice north of Point Conception is actually the return of that marine layer. Could mean some pretty dense fog out there, especially near the coastline for the upcoming weekend, at least for the morning hours. For the valleys, though, not expecting that marine influence to help us out too much, staying in the 90s in Santa Ynez. And by next week, the longer range models even indicate a hotter round of temperatures.
Oh boy.
And that would coincide with the beginning of Old Spanish days.
That's
Fiesta.
right.
So we're going to keep an eye on that. Usually for Fiesta, we get that marine layer. I don't know if that's going to be the case.